So let's do this right. Now we give y'all radio autonomy.
Ai ka ripo, ai ka huri te rau aru he aue, pupuhi miri miri, te rau aru he tanu kui. Oh, Mako! What are you up to? Man, whakahorere koe iau.
I listen to you sing all the time. I know you're the best singer in the whole entire world.
Pehea tomo hio. You have never heard me sing.
I listen to you all the time. I listen to you after your audition, even after your show. Koia Kei A Koe mo te wāta.
Oh, I didn't know anyone was around after my show. It's kaha noa taku waia taki taku ruruhi. She likes to hear me sing. Makes her happy.
She must be really proud of you, Kāria. I think of the words to your song. Wai aroha rere tō tika.
Rere tika ki te moana. Mai ho ngā piko tā ngā kia aio. Rere tō tika.
Carrie P! You need to come back down and audition.
What do you mean? I thought you didn't like my audition.
Come and audition. Come on. You're right, Carrie. We absolutely hated your audition. Your singing was off and your dance moves were just, ugh.
Ai, kare koe whā ki mai toki kai waiata koe?
Well, my work is done here now. Koia Kei A Koe E kare. Give my regards to your nan.
Oh, I will, Papa.
Ai, ka kite.
Ka kite.
Ka kite, papa.
Ka kite. Okay, girlfriends, so from here on out, you have to rehearse.
Ai, Koia Kei A Koe. So you're going to be our headlining act for Weekeneru. I'm going to get the rest of our acts up to standard. But yeah, practice.
Oh, I've never sung in front of an audience before.
Wow. How are we going with our headlining act?
Well, he manoa, meet our headlining act.
Kua hengara. Interesting. I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to stress me out. It's not going to work.
No, seriously. Ane, here's our headlining act.
And honestly, he manawa, when you hear the final product, you'll be blown away.
Blown away.
Mana, you had one job to do. Just the one. You've talked a really, really big game and you've seriously under-delivered. As for Kāria P, I'm just going to walk away and pretend that you've got this under control.
Well, I'm going to sort out the rest of our acts, but start rehearsing now.
So let's do this right. Now we give y'all radio autonomy.
Of course. All of the VIP are taken care of and everything's going to plan. It's going to be fantastic. Yes. All right then, well, I'll see you there. Ka kite.